We're going to do a weird angle for you here. I'm going to try it. The reason I'm tapping these is because they're full of crap. If you don't get the crap out of the holes, look at that. If you don't get the crap out of the holes, you put your bolt in, it bottoms out, it snaps off, then you get issues. So take the 10 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever it takes to tap your bolts, tap your holes, and grab some compressed air and clean them out. Abby's actually the one that noticed. I mean, I would have done this anyway, but she noticed when we were doing the valves. She's like, there's a bunch of stuff down in those holes. Look at that. How to chase threads. I think it was Facebook, somebody posted they broke off a head bolt. This is the reason why. Hopefully I don't break one off, but if I do, I'll show you how to fix it real easy. Yeah, 72 degrees today. I'm out here in a t-shirt. It's 40 in here this morning. Here's the crap I took out. I'm going to get the air compressor out and I'm going to get rid of that. Yes, I am going to clean the deck up again. Don't you worry. I know both of you people that watch this, I'm sure you're worried. Tell me I'm doing things wrong all the time. So, yep. That's why you tap your holes.